Hey guys, welcome to my podcast Backstage, powered by Oraimo. मैं हूं आपकी होस्ट आकृति और आज हमारे साथ है सौरभ, who's the founder of Success Brew. He's built a community of more than 8,000 people and generated more than 8 crores of revenue from it. So today we'll have a conversation with him. So let's begin. Hey, hi Saurav, how are you?
Perfectly fine.
So thank you so much for coming today and doing this. I'm very sure that the audience is going to get like a lot of insights from our conversation. But before we start, please introduce yourself for our audience.
If I have to introduce like in very three short terms, I work on 3 C segments of my life. One is content, second is community, third is courses. Now courses can be any form of a premium content. So 2018 was the time when I moved towards this. Before that, entire life was very traditional. Started as a mechanical engineer, then entered into sales and marketing, traditional sales and
Wow.
marketing, traveling a lot. Then pandemic came in finally,
Yeah.
right? And it gave me a break to think. And then I said, okay, let's do a course or MBA because the courses were selling like hot that time. But then I moved to YouTube because it's a lot of free content. I said, पहले ये करते हैं. If I don't get anything out
Yeah.
of it, then I'll move to find a course, a structured course. But yes, YouTube gave me a lot. So channels like Mind Valley, Impact Theory, and a few more channels like that. I like spent 14 hours a day watching them for around 2-3 months
Wow.
consistently. Watched around 1000 GB worth of data, and I came out with these 3 C's that will live: content, community, and courses. Like
Yeah.
as long as the humanity is there, in some form they will live.
Yeah.
Form can change, but they will be there. And before that, also I used to create short content for Facebook. I was
Right.
very active on Facebook also. My first personal branding class happened in 2015.
Yeah.
So somebody told me कि Facebook profile को भी optimize करना होता है, उसमें भी technical चीजें होती हैं. And then 2018 somebody diverted me towards LinkedIn, that okay, LinkedIn is also a better
Yeah.
space.
It had started evolving by then.
Yes, 2018 when the
हाँ.
first time LinkedIन में DM start हुए
Correct.
थे, उस time थे नहीं उससे पहले. And I had a profile since 2011 job time, जब college के बाद से start किया था, but कभी use नहीं किया. Because of family networks and all, job लेना कभी tough काम नहीं था.
Yeah.
And job was a part of my life as in के ठीक है practice के लिए कर लेते हैं. But it was not a career making thing ever for me.
आई थिंक फॉर ऑल एंटरप्रेन्योर्स ये सेम ही रहता है कि थोड़े टाइम जॉब करके एक बार देख लेते हैं कैसा लगता है और फिर उसके बाद विल डू
So
आवर ओन
coming from
थिंग.
a Bania business class family, now you have seen
Yeah.
a much bigger size of money every month. You cannot relate to a job
Yeah.
anyway, and you have seen a freedom with your parents that how
Correct.
they have lived. So
एब्सोल्युटली.
आपका mindset fix है उस चीज में कि भाई
Yeah.
हम सुबह 9 बजे उठ के तसल्ली से 11 बजे दुकान जाते हैं, right? हम लोग सुबह 6 बजे उठ के नहीं
Yeah.
भागते हैं मेट्रो पकड़ के. So that mindset was always there, but yes, I understood one more thing, that family business has its own limitations of mindset.
Yeah.
कि उन्होंने जिस तरीके से किया है, अगर मुझे कुछ नया सीखना है तो कुछ टाइम बाहर काम करना पड़ेगा.
करेक्ट.
एंड बीइंग द यंगेस्ट वन, आई गॉट दैट अपॉर्चुनिटी कि ठीक है, मुझे कोई रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज मैनेज करने की जल्दी नहीं है.
Yeah.
So I took that sweet time of 5-6 years. Then 2018 I took that sabbatical and went on YouTube, read a lot on LinkedIn also. Then
Yeah.
when I came on LinkedIn, and I think that is the time I started creating also on LinkedIn, talking to people कि okay, let's find out what I can do for people. So the first thing that came out as a product was a workshop on goal setting and strategic planning. And this comes from mechanical industry actually,
Yeah.
because वहाँ पे होता है process planning and control,
करेक्ट.
which means you see a future, that future में ये बनाना है, and you
Correct.
reverse calculate it कि आज क्या करना है.
करेक्ट.
A very simple workshop I thought students will buy, but then entrepreneurs came in, professionals came in. So basically what we said, mid-age crisis people, ना कि corporate में पता है CXO नहीं बनने वाले. They know it. खर्चे बढ़ रहे हैं consistently. They want to do more with
Yeah.
life. And they're getting bored after 10-15 years of experience. All of them started coming in. I'm like, कि बहुत अच्छा हो रहा है, जो भी है. So I started increasing the price with every batch and all. And that's how it started.
So you started curating courses.
Yes.
Okay.
First
And-
it started like that.
And what were the courses on?
So the first course was this only, goal setting and strategic planning.
Okay.
Entire pandemic, this was the only course, 35 batches done. And I
Oh,
think we
wow.
had participants from 10 countries,
Wow.
right? That's where the first set of community also became.
And how were you priced like at that point of time?
When I first started, I thought of students. I had no confidence कि ये चलेगा या नहीं चलेगा. So I said 700 rupees is good, right? Keeping 7 a lucky
Yeah.
number and all, whatever just comes to mind. And I created a group called the Golchi Club. Goal setting है तो Golchi Club कर देते हैं. कुछ तो अच्छा लगेगा support system के लिए.
Yeah.
And then when these people came in, एंड आई हैड नो कंटेंट ऑल्सो कि उसमें डिलीवर क्या करना है. आई हैड नो कॉन्फिडेंस टू स्पीक ऑन अ वीडियो कॉल और अ कैमरा, नथिंग. आई हैड अ वेरी बैड पैनासोनिक का घटिया सा फ़ोन. एंड मैंने कहा चलो व्हाट्सएप पे करेंगे इसको. आई विल गिव यू असाइनमेंट एवरी डे एंड यू डू इट बिकॉज इट इज ओनली 700 रुपीज. आपका नुकसान कुछ भी नहीं हो रहा है.
Yeah.
Third, fourth day, people started talking. It is good. I said, okay, what is good? They said, you are making me first time think about my life as a whole
Yeah.
into different areas of life as a corporate project that we never did because we are so busy in our life
Yeah.
that we never think कि मेरी actual जिंदगी में क्या हो रहा है. So most of the corporate life revolves around only two things:
Yeah.
money and CTC.
Correct.
Designation कितना मिलेगा और पैसा कितना मिलेगा. और वो 10-12 घंटे ट्रैवल प्लस जॉब एंड देन फैमिली मैनेजमेंट, nobody is able to think about themselves.
Yeah.
And when people started thinking about that, they realized कि okay, मैं ये कर रहा हूँ, but I like something more,
Correct.
something else more. And then in the third, fourth batch, people were like, okay, I'm quitting my job today. मैं कहा, रुको अभी, मुझे नहीं पता तुम्हारे साथ इसके बाद क्या करना है. So take a pause.
Yeah.
They said नहीं, मुझे पता है ना क्या करना है, मुझे समझ में आ गया. Like good, okay. And then there was some really ऐसे feedback भी थे बीच में जिनका मैं कुछ नहीं कर पाया. I can't have a scientific evidence to replicate it, where people said, okay, I got rid of my migraine. I'm like, ऐसा मैंने कुछ नहीं किया. So maybe just a wild theory that they were stressed about something, and now they realized कि okay, ठीक है, that stress was not needed.
Correct.
ऐसे evolve होते हुए ना, I kept talking to these people a lot.
And एक
at
बैच
every
में
point.
कितने बच्चे होंगे?
It was like initially I was doing it organically, no Facebook ad, nothing. So like 25-30 people max.
That's a good number, yeah.
Right, initially. And
Yeah.
all coming from Facebook groups and all.
Wow.
So मेरा काम क्या होता था, सुबह उठना है, वो एक ग्राफिक बनाना है कैनवा पे, and it is all happening on that Panasonic phone. Right? So वो कैनवा भी किसी ने बता दिया था कि कैनवा पे फ्री ग्राफिक बनते हैं. मैंने कहा बहुत अच्छी बात है, ये तो सिर्फ डेट टाइम डालना है. And I'll post in every Facebook group that has a open posting
Yeah.
thing. And वहीं से लोग आने लगे, and I
And
could
that was
build
your
very
first,
good. That was the first thing.
First interaction to community building.
Yes.
And, yeah.
And idea of group, making a group and a community was very simple. इससे पहले मैंने जितने coaching programs attend किए हैं, so I've been a landmark student. तो वहाँ पे मुझे एक चीज़ का missing part था हमेशा, कि हमने वो 3-4 दिन कर लिया, हमने बहुत पैसे दिए हैं, उसके बाद क्या? If I have a question after 2 years on the same concept, who do I
Correct.
ask?
Correct.
So I said this community will live forever until unless you don't leave it or I don't close the group for some reason. This will live forever. You have paid me 700 in 2018. Come to me in 2028 and ask a question, I'll answer.
Yeah.
That was the concept. And I think a lot of trainers who were like physically doing big events and all, when they saw it happening on Facebook, they
Yeah.
like came to me literally abusing sometimes that you are ruining the industry, you don't have a certification, this, that. I said, I have an engineering degree. I'm a process planning control specialist. All I am doing is using a technique from a mechanical industry to life.
Yeah.
That's it. I don't need a certification. And it is working. So I think we have around 3,000 testimonials as of now.
Wow.
Right?
Since 2018.
Yes.
Wow.
Right? And they're consistently growing only.
Yeah. And how much, like, how big is the community now?
So it started like all these 34 batches were like 2,000, 2,200 people. But then 2021, like after pandemic, I was like, okay, let's go and meet all of them. So I took a one-way flight to Bombay. And I said, okay, I'm just coming down, let's have dinner. I said, what is your purpose for the visit? I said, having dinner with all of you, nothing else. But उस time पे LinkedIn भी start हो चुका था 2019 में. So there was a lot of like around 40-50,000 followers on LinkedIn as well. So, and सब लोग ना उस time ऐसे थे कि बस जेल में हैं, बाहर निकाल लो हमें, we want to meet. So we hosted 3 meetups in Bombay in 2 days, one in Bangalore, one in Pune, and I traveled for 15 days like that. And then I realized one thing, like people are coming to my meetup and they're saying, ये तो मेरा schoolmate है, मेरे घर से 3 किलोमीटर दूर रहता है. मैंने कहा मिलते क्यों नहीं हो? He said, nobody invites each other.
Yeah.
And meetup concept for me is always like a family dinner table. It is never like a panel discussion or anything like that.
Yeah.
For me, meetup is a family dinner table. Come talk your heart out and you collaborate with the right set of people.
Nice.
आपको 50 लोगों से नेटवर्क नहीं करना है. And as a facilitator, my job is to tell कि ठीक है यार, आकृति आ रही है, you should come so that I can connect
with
both
you.
of you, right?
Yeah.
So I used to actually invite people कि अच्छा 4 लोग ना इस एक के मतलब के हैं, तो अगर मैं इस एक को ये चारों का नाम बताऊंगा, प्रोफाइल भेजूंगा तो ये पक्का आएगा.
हाँ.
सो इसकी वजह से ना कनेक्टिविटी बहुत ज़्यादा बढ़ा कम्युनिटी में एंड पीपल स्टार्टेड एक्सचेंजिंग बिजनेसेस एंड कोलैबोरेटिंग.
Wow.
So in our community, I think there's 3 startups that are built from the community. Co-founders met each other in our events, and now they're building good.
Wow. One such startup, if you can
So
name.
one such startup is Urban Udupi. It's a South Indian food startup, a cloud
Oh,
kitchen in Gurgaon, right?
wow.
अब मेरे साथ ये होता है कि अगर मैं गुड़गांव में इवेंट कर रहा हूँ ना, I'll definitely order from them
Correct.
because I feel very good at it.
Yeah.
I don't care about the taste that time, but I feel that okay, this is a startup from the community and this is my thing.
Right.
Right? Although I don't have any financial understanding in those spaces, but I feel very happy that this is happening.
Nice.
And last year, what we calculated, I was like this year entirely from 2024, I spoke to a lot of people again that, okay, how's it going? Are you connecting with community and all? A lot of people gave me numbers that, okay, हमने ना community से connect किया, I found a business partner sometimes, or we did projects, or we could collaborate and do something together. So I calculated a number, what I could calculate was around $3.5 million of business exchange happened
Wow.
within the community. And this is a community that doesn't talk every day,
Yeah.
right? I keep it very silent, no promotions, nothing.
How much is that in Indian rupees? 3
Around 24-25 crore.
Wow.
This
Very
is this is
nice.
complete charity business. Huh? This is
Yeah.
where I have not made money, but that's why I think community remains valuable.
Yeah.
I don't charge them. I just make sure that there are valuable people in the community.
Absolutely. I
who
think you've
thinks about
understood
each
the
other.
crux of
Yeah.
building a community. Like, community building is not easy. We as marketers, talk about brands that have been able to do it, like Harley, Red Bull, and
Yes.
all of these guys, right? Royal Enfield, with
Yes.
people going on groups together for trips. Like you said, it's
Yes.
like family,
Yes.
right? It's not like panel discussion कि आपने 4 लोगों को invite कर लिया और बोला कि
Yes.
चलो हमारी बातें सुनो, right?
हाँ.
It's more like
वो तो
exchanging
सुन ही रहे हैं
food.
ना, वो तो YouTube पे
हाँ.
फ्री कंटेंट दुनिया भर का अवेलेबल है, अभी क्या करोगे उसको सुन के?
हाँ.
एंड ऐसा कोई भी बड़ा स्पीकर नहीं है जिसका जो आज कंटेंट क्रिएटर ना हो.
Absolutely.
सो आप उसको वीडियो में भी रोज ही देख रहे हो, फिर वो
Correct.
पैनल पे भी बैठा है,
Correct.
उसको पता है वो सेम बातें बोलेगा,
Correct.
राइट? So this is how it started. Then 2020 I met Rohan Chaube, who is, you can say, one of my partners and gurus to teach me growth hacking and organic growth. And he's a guy who's like born on internet, right? He can stay in a room for 8 months and build something. उसको बाहर जाने की जरूरत नहीं है. And then we did a book together. So he had already done growth hacking book 1. Then he said, okay, can you help us with growth hacking book 2? We need more people to support us. It was again a community project. And I think that 1 year of entire 2020 sitting at home, and this book had 100 marketeers from 25 countries.
Wow.
Writing 1 chapter each. It's an entire growth Bible, actually, if we say. And we got a golden book of world records for this book. And I think one of the best campaigns I learned from Rohan that time, I saw there was a monkey influencer, George, from US. And I think somebody shared it with Rohan that, okay, there's an influencer like that. Rohan found out the owner of that pet within like half an hour kind of a thing.
Wow.
I said, okay, we'll send you a book and let George do something with the book, and we ran a campaign. It was such an amazing campaign. It was funny. It was engaging. And that time I understood that, okay, campaign doesn't need to be serious, right? You can create fun with anything practically. I think that was the journey it started. And 2021, then this organic growth started bringing in inbound clients for the thing. And then Success Brew actually got registered. So the agency part was accidental because somebody came in and said, क्योंकि हम पैसा देंगे इस काम का.
Right.
Right? एक time तो मुझे पता भी नहीं था. And I think my first influencer campaign also was given by Rohan only. So he just came to me very casually. He said, there's a brand called Upgrade. मुझे पता भी नहीं था Upgrade क्या है. He said, you need to make a post for them. I said, हाँ भाई कोई बात नहीं, whatever you say, right? And I posted. Then after a week he asked me कितने views हैं, कितने comments हैं. I shared it with him, and then he sent me some money. ये किस लिए? कहते इसका पैसा मिलता है. ये तो रोज कर सकते हैं. Right. So I think coming from a mechanical industry and a very traditional understanding of sales and marketing, this was very, very new. So 2020, the entire pandemic scene came as a boom for me to stabilize myself and learn a lot of new things. I read a lot of books, a lot of videos to watch and learn everything. I miss that time right now because it's a lot of travel and no stability
Yeah.
again. So I think this is how it started. The first client that came in was a big one, which was InstaMojo. Again, an influencer marketing campaign, which became best campaign of that month.
Nice.
And that gave a lot of confidence to, ठीक है हम ये कर सकते हैं.
Yeah.
We can multiply this.
Yeah. So now you run Success Brew, right? And your community, and you are obviously an influencer on LinkedIn. So you told me कि ठीक है हमारा ये इतने सारे लोगों ने ऐसे $3 million का 24 करोड़ का business किया. How much were you able to do business out of this community?
I think I have also closed around $1 million in revenue, right?
Wow, that's
Which
like
was
8 crores.
around that
Yeah.
much, okay. And in between, we also started encouraging a lot of freelancers to work with us rather than having an in-house team. Because as soon as you have an in-house team, your fixed expenses are consistently growing.
Yeah.
So why we were able to scale fast was very, very simple. I was actually coaching influencers during the entire pandemic also, that okay, a lot of people were losing jobs. So I said, okay, find out clients who can pay you whatever
Yeah.
right now. It's a crisis market, so don't be on a top of your money,
Yeah.
right? Just think that you can survive in 5,000 rupees a month, दाल रोटी खा के, अगर काम चलता है तो चलाओ.
Yeah.
एंड क्लाइंट को रिटेन करने के लिए बोलो पैसा नहीं है तो मत दो. तुम भी खाली बैठ के क्या करोगे और वो भी खाली बैठ के क्या करेगा.
Correct.
So there was an army built of influence, like freelancers also, right? And I wanted them, so I understood one economy very early in my life when I was into sales and marketing. When we were building sales teams and distribution centers, so you also work in a lot of like helping brands with distribution and all. The more money your distributor makes, the more money you will make at the end of the day.
Absolutely.
Right? Now having an in-house team, which means limiting your growth, because अब हर 2 client के लिए आपको 2 लोग नहीं चाहिए.
Yeah.
Strategy में, content writing में and all.
Correct.
I am not a kind of guy जो बोलेगा एक बंदा 5 प्रोफाइल मैनेज करे और फिर कुछ ना करे. Like बहुत low quality प्रोड्यूस ना करे.
Correct.
So we started working with it in freelancers and said, okay, whatever projects come, you get a 50 to 60% revenue out of it straightforward. मेरे पास कुछ बचेगा नहीं बचेगा मैं बाद में देखूँ.
So you started in 2018, right? And how many people do you have in your community now?
Right now it's like 7,000, 8,000 people.
Wow.
And it's a mix of founders, creators, freelancers, angel investors.
Yeah.
And now the जो founders 2020 में start हुए थे अभी वो angel investors बन चुके हैं. They are growing
Yeah.
big. So it's good.
Right. So obviously आप जब आपने start किया होगा अभी तो जैसे 7,000 8,000 है. I'm sure अभी एक different sort of challenges you're facing, right? How to keep 7,000 people engaged. How to hold events and stuff like that. I'm sure अभी के challenges अलग होंगे. But for example, someone wants to start a community right now, okay? Obviously, times are different. आपने 2018 में start किया था जहाँ पे उस time पे community angle maybe Facebook पे exist करता था.
Yes.
LinkedIn पे maybe नहीं करता था. Brands के minds में शायद नहीं करता था.
Yes.
What do you think, like, what were your initial challenges that you faced? One was credibility. You said कि लोगों ने पूछा कि यार आप खराब कर रहे हो market और ये वो है ना. What were the other challenges you faced and how did you overcome them to grow to such a level that people started coming and you've built like close to 10,000 people now?
So मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि उस टाइम ना सोचा नहीं था कुछ. सबसे पहली बात तो like I never thought कि it will what kind of people will come and all. Like today we have certain unicorn founders also who left the group at a certain stage because there were people disturbing them, right? But they're still very well connected. If I need them for the community, they'll come in.
Yeah.
So उस टाइम ना सोचा कुछ नहीं था. उस टाइम there was only one thing, that I have only one service and a product and I need to deliver it to as many people as I can. And I got a kick from those thank you messages that okay, something is impacting them, which was much more than money. And I'm a very big believer in astrology and all the numerology and science and all. वहाँ से मुझे एक छोटा सा guidance मिला था that your Jupiter is good, you are a good speaker, you can teach people and impact people. As long as you stay in that zone, you will grow. And I said, okay, if helping other people helps me grow, then why not? So मुझे ऐसा लगता है मैं ना कभी इसलिए मैंने कभी subscription नहीं रखा, right? It gives me 2 powers. One is I can choose who comes to my community. So nobody can say, okay, I'm throwing you money and I want to be part of the community and then I want this and that and all.
Yeah.
I can, as of now, also remove anybody from the community and not respond to them.
Yeah.
Right? If they are not following the basic rules of the community. And the second power I got was that, okay, I can choose whom to talk to and add only valuable people to the community. Now, value-driven community is what automatically grows.
Yeah.
Because if you know that, okay, this is a community, I'm part of it, यहाँ पे ना बहुत ज़्यादा एंगेजमेंट नहीं होता है, बट अगर आप कोई रिसोर्स ढूंढना चाहो तो मिल सकता है.
Yeah.
इट्स अ इजी रिस्पॉन्स, समबडी विल रिस्पॉन्ड ऑलवेज, एंड एटलीस्ट परेशान नहीं करता है पूरा दिन फोन बज बज के, राइट. पीपल लुक फॉर दोस काइंड ऑफ कम्युनिटीज टुडे,
Absolutely.
राइट. एंड
If I'm part of a community जहाँ पे randomly लोग बस messages ही करे जा रहे हैं,
Yes.
like buy this, buy that, I
Yes.
would be more inclined to leave it than be part of that
Correct.
group, right?
यस,
So like you said, तो अभी जैसे अगर किसी को अभी community start करनी हो, right? So they should look for what value they can deliver to people,
Yes.
right? As part of their unique selling proposition for that community, correct?
आई थिंक वो ना हो तो अच्छा है शुरुआत में. बिल्ड अ कम्युनिटी इन अ जेनरिक फॉर्म वेयर पीपल कैन ट्रस्ट यू एज अ पर्सन फर्स्ट. They'll buy your services automatically if they trust you first, right? But if you go with a mode कि मुझे कम्युनिटी इसलिए बनाना है कि कल को मुझे उन्हें कुछ बेचना है, फिर आप में आएगा डेस्परेशन, तो आप वैल्यू ऐड नहीं करोगे.
But how does someone keep motivated in that way? Like कुछ like for example, obviously आप community run कर रहे हो and it's like a huge time investment, right? You have to reply to each messages, you have to look
Yes.
after every individual, right? You have to organize events, you have to keep them connected. There are like so many things, right? How does someone keep motivated in that way when they know कि अच्छा इसका शायद कुछ नहीं भी हो सकता है?
I think that's where your heart comes into place, that it's a heart business. Initially it's a social initiative kind of a space, right? So think of business owners who are also into a lot of social initiatives. Why they do it? Not to make money. They believe in it, they're passionate about it, they
Yeah.
love it. So I think build a community when you really love building a community, because it takes a lot. And it's a thankless job,
Yeah.
right? And even if you make one mistake, there will be people from the same community who will like thrash you down, right? So do it when you love it only, right? अभी हम देख रहे हैं there's a lot of surge into communities. Every brand is like, there's a term coming, community led growth and all for the brands. उसमें भी आप देखोगे बहुत कम ऐसे brands हैं जहाँ पे ना founders came and started building a community rather than a team building a community. बहुत difference हो उन दोनों चीजों में,
Correct.
right? जहाँ पे founder community building में involved है ना, वो ज्यादा अच्छा चल रहा है, right? And for example, let's say when we talk about Royal Enfields and all, so more than the brand itself, the buyers have built the community because they love traveling together. They love that passion for the Royal Enfields or Bullet or any other product like that. So वहाँ पे brand ने नहीं बनाया, वहाँ पे users ने community बनाया, right? So like for a lot of Bollywood celebrities, you will see their fan pages. Now those fan pages have millions of followers.
Yeah, because they love a certain
Yes.
thing.
Yeah. So वो फैन पेजेस ब्रांड ने नहीं बनाया है, सेलिब्रिटी ने नहीं बनाया, वो किसी एक ऐसे पैशनेट इंसान ने बनाया है जो कहता है ठीक है, लेट्स टॉक अबाउट जॉन इब्राहिम एंड बॉडी बिल्डिंग कंसिस्टेंटली. सो इज कनेक्टेड टू हेल्थ, इज कनेक्टेड टू जॉन इब्राहिम बिकॉज ऑफ हेल्थ, एंड ही लव्स दैट सेगमेंट टू टॉक अबाउट हिम और स्टडी अबाउट मोर अबाउट द पर्सन. सो मुझे हमेशा ऐसा लगता है कि अभी जो कम्युनिटीज बन रही हैं, दे आर मोर इनटू कि कम्युनिटी के लिए भी आउटरीच कर रहे हैं हम लोग रोज. So initially आपको बहुत फ्री देना पड़ेगा until unless you have a threshold where let's say maybe 300, 400, 500 people, you have done some micro events where they start trusting and believing in your theory of community, and then they start inviting their friends कि okay ठीक है, so every day I get 2-3 requests कि okay, I have these 2 profiles, can you add them to the community? Then all I have to do is send them a link. Okay, they can apply on this place and we'll accept them.
Yeah.
So now I am not actively promoting the community. The links are on LinkedIn. If somebody finds out, they'll join in, or any community member adding their friends only. So
Yeah.
we are not into mode of exponential growth and all. कुछ नहीं दिखाना मुझे ऐसा, because I personally think कि जो 7,000 लोग हैं ना, मैं इनको ही नहीं जानता अभी, right? How should I know them better,
Yeah.
right? And अभी कल भी मैं किसी event में था, somebody said okay, I'm part of your community. I said I have never heard of your name or photo also. So said कि हाँ मैं ज़्यादा chit chat नहीं करता, but the community, like I read things and whatever I read is good,
Yeah.
right? So I think that makes a lot of sense.
Yeah. I'm sure.
And कभी कभी अपने इवेंट अगर ऑर्गेनाइज करने का टाइम ना हो ना, लाइक बहुत कुछ है करने को, सब कुछ एक साथ मत करो, गो स्लो, राइट? अगर अपने इवेंट ऑर्गेनाइज नहीं कर सकते हो, collaborate with any big event happening. Reach out to them.
Correct.
कि okay, I have a community of 400 people, right? I would love to collaborate with you as a community partner and invite my community also to
Right.
your space.
Right.
अब लोगों को वहाँ इनसिक्योरिटी होता है कि मेरे मेंबर्स वहाँ चले जाएंगे. मेंबर्स वैसे भी सब जगह हैं.
Correct.
एवरीथिंग इज ओपन टुडे,
Yeah.
राइट? ओके, जो टाई में है वो हेड स्टार्ट में भी है, जो हेड स्टार्ट में है वो योर स्टोरी की कम्युनिटी में भी है,
Yeah.
वो लीप क्लब में भी है, वो LWL में भी है, सब जगह
Yeah,
है.
I mean जिसको कम्युनिटी अच्छी लगती है वो तो
Yes.
सारी जगह एक्सप्लोर
वो सब
करेगा.
जगह है, राइट? ओके.
Yeah.
नाउ कंपटीशन आता है वही कि था उसका मेंबरशिप फी कितना है, मेरा कितना है, कंपटीशन तो वहाँ पे आता है.
Yeah.
मेरे पास कोई फी नहीं है,
Hmm.
हेड स्टार्ट के पास कोई फी नहीं है, सो आई कोलैबोरेट विद ऑल द नॉन प्रॉफिट कम्युनिटीज.
Hmm.
एंड मुझको पता है यार, ठीक है ये मेंबर है, लेट्स से ही इज अ एक्सपोर्ट का है,
Hmm.
उसका मेरी कम्युनिटी में कोई काम नहीं है. आई विल एक्चुअली डाइवर्ट हिम टू एक्सपोर्ट सर्कल कम्युनिटी,
So that
डिफरेंट
he can
कम्युनिटी.
benefit.
ही कैन बेनिफिट, राइट. उसको बेनिफिट होगा ना, वो अपने आप 4 चीजें ले आएगा मेरे पास,
Correct.
राइट.
Correct.
सो हमने अपने पेरेंट्स से यही सीखा. आई थिंक मेरे फादर बहुत जगह हमने उन्हें बोला है कि यार आप लोगों को 100 काम करा देते हो, आप तो पैसे ही नहीं मांगते हो इनसे.
Hmm.
यू नो, सो ही यूज्ड टू डू अ पार्ट टाइम, अभी भी करते हैं, रियल एस्टेट बिजनेस उनका साथ साथ चलता रहता है. सो बहुत टाइम ऐसा होता है देन ही डजंट आस्क फॉर कमीशंस एंड ऑल.
Hmm.
चलिए यार, ये तो अपना दोस्त है, रोज काम करते हैं, इससे क्या मांगना है.
Hmm.
सो मैंने कहा ये तो आपके लिए लॉस है. बोला लॉस नहीं है, कभी ना कभी ये भी वो फेवर देगा. दिस इज अ फेवर, दिस इज समथिंग यू आर लिविंग विद देम,
Yeah.
राइट. इट विल कम बैक सम टाइम इन सम फॉर्म.
Correct. Correct.
वो पेशेंस रखना बहुत जरूरी है कम्युनिटी बिल्डिंग में.
Correct. Patience is the key, I
पेशेंस इज
think.
द की. तो सब कुछ एक साथ मत करो. यू कैन एंगेज देम विद अ वेरी बेसिक वीकली न्यूज़लेटर ऑल्सो.
Yeah.
अगर बहुत बड़ा नहीं बनाना है न्यूज़लेटर, या लिखने का टाइम नहीं है, अब 1 minute वीडियो इज गुड इनफ.
Yeah.
Sending them updates of what you are trying to do and you know what is your stuff.
Correct.
Now you can create it as a coach also, you can create it as a business owner also, you can create it as a product based community also, people loving something cool. So in my definition, it is a set of people moving together towards a common goal.
Hmm.
They stick together.
Hmm.
So अगर यहाँ से एक बस भर के प्रयागराज जा रही है महाकुंभ में, so they will stick together till there.
Hmm.
उसके बाद they will distribute, yes,
Correct.
right. They'll come back together, yes. Now once they have done it, now they will make a plan to go to next trip together
Hmm. Correct.
and bring in 2-3 more people every time.
Correct.
So कभी एक बस होगी या एक गाड़ी होगी, तो अभी 4 गाड़ियां साथ में जाएंगी कि चलो थोड़ा बड़ा ट्रिप करते हैं.
Yeah.
Then they might book an entire flight also for some trip.
Correct.
And I have seen this happening in a lot of traditional religious communities that my parents are part of. So what they do is that 200-300 families, they'll book a space like say Jagannath Puri, they'll keep a 7 दिन का भगवद गीता पाठ and they'll fly in one flight.
Hmm.
Now this community is traveling from past 5 years together across India.
Yeah.
All the religious places, चार धाम की यात्रा करनी है, ज्योतिर्लिंग यात्रा करनी है, right? They all contribute their money, they travel. वैसे 10 दिन का ट्रिप होता है, किसी को 5 दिन में वापस आना है, 5 दिन में वापस आ जाओ, right? And they take their local cooks from here because इन सबको खाने का प्रॉब्लम है दूसरी सिटीज में, and mostly a vegetarian and
Correct.
Jains and all, so उनको वो चैलेंज रहता है. So वो अपना यहाँ से जींद से हरियाणा से अपना पूरा हलवाई एंड ऑल सब लेके जाते हैं साथ में ट्रेन में, and they chill.
Yeah.
So community makes the entire thing more effective, more enjoyable as a journey. And I think Successful Community को बनाने का एक ही एजेंडा था. It was nothing to monetize the community because directly तो मैंने ना कभी कुछ promote किया ना sell किया. Idea was very simple that you are starting something and you have daily firefighting of something. Whether it is finding the team, whether it is finding a mentor or finding money or finding an office or anything. Ask in the community, somebody will respond.
Correct.
क्योंकि कोई है जो शायद आपसे 1 साल आ गया है,
Correct.
शायद सिर्फ 2 महीना आ गया है,
Correct.
राइट. शायद वो है कि आज आप सोच रहे हो और उसने अभी खाली फाउंडर्स अग्रीमेंट किया है, सो दे विल टेल यू द बेसिक्स.
Yeah.
इतना भी प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व हो जाए ना अगर, तो
बहुत बड़ी
आधी
बात
जर्नी
है.
सॉल्व हो जाती है.
Yeah. I think that really helps. If you like get so 2-3 things here, right? As far as I can understand, you've actually understood the crux of building a community, which is one, they must have trust on you.
Yes.
है ना? You must have patience and trust कि this will materialize into something, maybe not, but you're just connecting with people,
Yes.
learning from them, understanding, making them part of your family, and maybe somewhere helping them while they
Yes.
intend to help you maybe in the future, right?
Yes.
And I think that is the crux of being in a community.
Yes.
We as humans have always been hunters and gatherers, and
Yes.
why we kind of call it gatherers, or why we form civilizations, was because we want to stay together as a
Yes.
community, right? And also you are, and this is a very famous quote, like people say, you are what you're part of,
Yes.
right? The network that you're part of. So yes, I think you've understood that crux quite well.
Maybe.
No, yeah, you've done pretty well with the community.
Yes.
And I've not seen a lot of people. Honestly, I talk to a lot of marketers every day. Recently only I was talking to a founder and he's like, I want to build a community. I'm like, do you understand what it takes to build a community and the time investment? Are you willing to put out that time from your existing business of 20 cr, whatever he's doing right now, and take out that time to build something that'll give you long term benefits, maybe? Okay, and you don't even know that.
Correct.
Right? So yeah.
It's a long shot, but it's I think इसके benefit ना short है. Like I will never say कि ये काम करेगा या नहीं करेगा, वो doubt नहीं है मुझे. क्योंकि it's a human relationship. अगर आपने वो अच्छे से build कर लिया ना, they will give you some benefits someday in life. Because जिन लोगों को मैं 2013-14 में भी मिला था, even I have done a job in a BPO telesales job and all to learn selling and you know soft skills. आज भी वो लोग जानते हैं मुझे. Because I maintain a relationship with them and I keep a respect with them that okay, he was my friend.
Yeah.
Right? One of such friends I met after like 9 years of leaving that job, and he was like, Saurabh, we both are living our dreams. I'm in Germany, I'm a biochemist now, and I'm married. You are in here, you wanted to become this, you are there, right? And we caught up in Delhi again, right? He just came to Bihar actually to get married, but in between he found one day to come to Delhi and meet me and then go back.
Yeah.
Right? तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है जितने रिलेशनशिप्स आपके पास हैं, अगर आप बिजनेस वर्ल्ड में कहीं भी हो ना, all you need first is relationship. 85% of success is relationships. Having a network, right? Which helps a lot.
So, talking about these benefits, the business that you've been able to create, which is like you mentioned 8CR, close to 8CR, right? How were you able to achieve this through this community? Like I understood that what it took you from 0 to 7,000, 8,000 people, or probably 1,000 people, and then maybe you scaled. Maybe we'll talk about it. But like, how were you able to generate this revenue for yourself from this community?
So, उसके दो parts है. Like, whenever you want to generate a revenue, you need to offer something to someone in terms of a product or a service. There is no other way to build business or money, right? Money is a function of a value that you goes out into market. So, community में हमने ना तो subscription बेचा कभी, ना कुछ directly कुछ भी बेचा ऐसा. We hosted events, right? Now, event has a cost to it, right? So that's what people paid for first of all. Again, that was a non-profit thing in the very very beginning, right? हमने ऐसे events कभी host नहीं किए जहाँ पे बहुत पैसा कमाने की कोशिश की हो. Ultimately, what happened is because we have this entire marketing service and content marketing, they started converting into clients. Again, without any pitch, because they knew me for a long time and they came to me with problems. That we are facing so and so problem, and then I had a very open ground to pitch or offer them something, right?
Yeah.
And even if I don't have anything personally, I know some freelancer who can help them, so I'll collaborate and get that business done, right? So मेरे पास वो नहीं है that I have only one skill and I will do that. And then I was thinking, okay, as a marketer, what skill I have, what should I sell? And then I found out building a network is my skill, so I'll build network for my clients also, right? So while my team works with these people, I build network for my clients कि अच्छा इसका collaboration कहाँ हो सकता है,
Correct.
इसको किसके साथ dinner पे setup करा सकता हूँ, right? So even if somebody is traveling from Mumbai to Chennai and I know that, then I find out 4 people in Chennai कि okay, you know, meet them. Something comes out good, something doesn't come out still good. So I think this is how brands started coming in, right? So half a part of this entire revenue is hardcore these marketing services, right? And I understood in the very beginning that one thing, that it is not a small ticket business, it is a big ticket business, and you need to retain the clients for long enough terms, right? And one more thing I did, a lot of people run after founders. I don't. I run after CMOs.
Yeah.
Because even if you like me once as a CMO, you will leave the job, you'll go to a bigger company, you'll hire me first.
Yeah, correct.
Right? So I have built those relationships where I know it matters in a longer run.
Yeah.
A founder, if he hates me or doesn't like me, anything, right? Okay, it's a done deal. आप खत्म हो जाओगे उसके बाद, आपको आप दोबारा पिच ही नहीं कर पाओगे उसको.
Correct.
But with a CMO, उसका ना कोई personal loss नहीं होता है. पहली बात तो अगर हमें गलती भी कर दें तो.
Correct.
We can repair that mistake always, right? And उसको पता है कितना mistake हुआ है.
Correct.
So working with a CMO is mostly being, वहाँ पे ना bias नहीं आता कभी भी एजेंसी को लेके, because उनको भी पता है कि कंपनी में क्या faults हैं, they acknowledge it internally, चाहे वो एजेंसी को ना बताए.
Correct.
Right? जब वो कंपनी से बाहर आ जाता है ना, फिर वो बता देते हैं तुम्हारी कोई गलती नहीं थी, सब ठीक है. Right?
Yeah.
So I think this is how we were able to maintain a lot of crazy relationships. ये relationships ने ज़्यादा help किया है
Yeah, and
rather
also
than anything else.
identifying which relationship to build and which
Yes,
not to
which not to
build. Yeah, I think
Yes,
and that comes from a community only. You've interacted
yes,
with so many people. You
correct.
know, you've made your mistakes. Like
Yes,
maybe some mistakes that you did
correct.
while.
And I think one of the biggest mistakes that I did in my sales career was mis-selling and misleading.
Ah,
क्योंकि जो corporate communications होते हैं, a lot of times when you sign a contract with any big company and all, there are too many clauses which are confusing. And as soon as a conflict comes, they will come and throw contract on your face. I stopped doing contracts. जैसे मुझे contract नहीं करना. You write in 3 lines, this is what you need as a delivery, this is what you'll pay me. I'll sign the document. If you're sending me 18-page document, I'm not reading it, I'm not signing it.
yeah,
Because that does not matter to me.
correct.
वो 18 पेज का लीगल डॉक्यूमेंट किसी काम का नहीं है और ना मुझे पढ़ना आता है. एंड इफ यू वांट मी टू रीड इट, आई विल हायर अ लॉयर दैट यू पे फॉर. व्हाई शुड आई डू दैट, राइट? सो अगर हम बेसिक जबान पे काम नहीं कर सकते हैं तो काम होगा नहीं कभी. एंड दैट वाज गुड. But
Yeah.
I maintained one thing very strongly, like putting everything on an email trail, one email trail, not multiple emails जो कि खो जाती हैं. So it's one email trail. When we first worked with InstaMojo, it was an email trail of 136 emails from beginning to end of the project. I can, like today I can pick it up and see the entire journey of how it happened.
Correct.
It is a learning for me also. मुझे आज case study बनाना है, मेरे पास पूरा set रखा हुआ है.
Correct.
Right? It will take me, like using AI now. Like उस टाइम तो नहीं था, but it will take me like 5 minutes to put the entire thread into a chat GPT and build the entire case study of the product,
Yeah.
right? So I think इसने बहुत help किया. उसके बाद 2020 में we started with the coaching product also, because when again थोड़ा खाली थे तो reading बहुत चल रहा था, internet बहुत explore कर रहे थे. 2 statements that got stuck with me. One is from a Mind Valley podcast, which is 84% people globally hate their jobs, right? Because they want to run their life anyway, so they do it anyway. एंड हमें किसी ने नहीं बताया पैशन क्या होता है, फुलफिलमेंट क्या होता है, ग्रोथ क्या होती है, राइट? वो तो कॉलेज की स्टडी का पार्ट नहीं है. उनका काम था कि इनको जॉब दिलवाना है.
Correct.
We build careers in that segment only. And second was 74% corporate women leave jobs because of lack of flexibility in corporate career. Right? Maybe because of getting married, maybe because of having kids, maybe because of menopause, maybe because of so many reasons. But that's a statistics. And like this is a crazy great audience, especially in India, where I can tell them how to convert that skill into a service package and then sell.
Yeah.
Using LinkedIn, using Facebook, using Reddit does not matter, right?
Correct.
They need clients.
Correct.
How many clients? If they can create a service package of 1 lakh retainer, if they have 3 clients only, they can earn 3 lakhs a month.
Correct.
Right? So, my first guinea pig was Vanshika Mehta. Right, okay. So we met in 2020 on a coffee and she was like, मेरे को job change करना है, ये करना है, वो करना है. And I'm like, she was from US. She had no network in India. I think that is the biggest case study because she had no network in India. Right. Like she came from like completely bottom bottom in Dubai, studied in US and then India because of visa issues. Right. And she saw me like मैंने उसका किडनी मांग लिया राइट कि फ्रीलांसिंग करने को बोल रहा है, ये वो, ये क्या बात हुई.
Correct.
And then she called me again after a few days and said कि were you serious about that thought कि मुझे freelancing करना चाहिए. मैंने कहा देख, you are good at LinkedIn, you are good at talking to people, you are searching for a job, search for clients parallelly. नुकसान क्या है?
हाँ, correct.
You need to use the same internet, same laptop and everything. Then after 90 days she calls me and said okay, I closed 1.5 lakhs something this month. Like cool. कहती अभी क्या करना है? Next 90 days. So we created this 90-day cycle with her and by 2021 she did around 40 lakhs plus.
In a month.
In a year.
In a year.
Not in a month. In a year is 40-50 lakhs in a year is also very good.
Obviously it
right?
is.
From like अगर आप job में हो, एक average college से
I
हो.
see so many influencers talking about we did 50 lakhs a month on Instagram, see our journey. So I was like, I thought okay.
नहीं, वो भी बहुत अच्छा है. लेकिन I think कि somebody coming from a corporate career earning anywhere between 80,000 to 1.5 lakh, if they're working less and earning more, it's brilliant.
Absolutely.
Right? And after that, if your passion says you want to become a celebrity content creator, go ahead, yaar. There is no barrier today.
Thank you so much for coming
Most
today.
welcome.
We have a gift for you. This is a personal trimmer by Oraimo.
Okay. That is
Oraimo
nice.
is an international brand that's now coming to India and is actively building a community like you.
Awesome.
So I think this is going to resonate a lot with you. So this is for you.
Thank you so much.
Yes. Do use and share feedback with us as well.
I will try to for sure.
Yes. Thank you. Thank you so much for coming
Most
today.
welcome. Thank you.
Thank you.